Hey Rex, what you doing?
Riding a motorbike.
This is the Jetson LX10. Rex is 7 years old. He's currently 46 inches tall. It's the perfect size for Rex, huh?
Even for a 12-year-old.
Yeah, it might be small for a 12-year-old. But go ahead, Rex. Let's see you ride, dude. This is his first time riding it, and he's loving it. He says it's really easy. He keeps riding over that water right there, which makes me nervous, but he's going. Okay, give it full power. Full power. There you go. What's funny is in this parking lot next to us is an actual motorcycle class, and my son is riding back and forth in front of the riders there. Yep. Go right. Whoa, that was kind of a daredevil turn there, huh? You're still getting used to it. We have Rex wearing knee pads and elbow pads, just in case we have an accident. Okay, don't go in the street, dude. Turn around. There you go. Yeah, no accidents yet, huh? And you're going pretty fast. Whoa. Yeah, it's funny, we put the LX10 right next to his 20-inch kids bike, and we realized pretty much all the dimensions are exactly the same because his 20-inch bike has like big riser bars, and the height, everything is about the same. Obviously the wheels are smaller because the Jetson doesn't have 20-inch wheels, but the ergonomics, the seating position, everything else is exactly the same for my son. Okay, Rex, come by me at top speed. Go all the way. All the way. Woohoo!
Fast, right?
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Yeah.
Mommy's 60 inches tall. And it's Mommy's turn. She is 60 inches tall. You can see how it fits on her.
Barely.
Yeah, she's almost too big for it already. Mommy is 60 inches tall and she's almost too big for it. So if you're over 6 foot, that would be crazy. I'm about 5'10" and it's about too small for me, or it is too small for me. But my wife at 5 foot, it's okay. It's an okay fit. But I think the ideal height is about 4 feet tall. My son is about 2 inches from being 4 feet tall, and he says it fits him perfectly. My wife says it's a little bit cramped when she rides it herself. So any normal sized adult probably would not be all that comfortable on this.
This was the LX10. See you later.